Good morning, student. Today I will discuss the exercise 10.4 and last question of this exercise. That is a question number 6. Question is a circular park of radius 20 meter. A circular park of radius 20 meter situated in a colony situated in a colony a circular park of radius 20 meter situated in a colony. 3 boys is Ankur, Syed and David are sitting on equal distance the equal distance on the boundary. Okay, each having a toy telephone to talk each other. Find the length of string of each phone. Question is, find the length of string to each telephone. This is the question. Now, solution of that question is, first of all, draw the figure. This is the circular park. A circular park of radius 20 meter. The radius of that one is the 20 meter. Now, situated in a colony, 3 boys, Ankur, Syed and David, sitting on the equal distance. This is the position of Ankur. Now, this is the Syed and this is the David. This is the O. P, Q, R. 20 meter. This is the figure. For solution of this question, let A, S and D represent the Ankur, Syed and David. Ankur, Syed and David position. S. So, what information is given here? That is the OA equal to OS equal to OD. These are the radius of the circle that is the 20 meter given. And one more information, that is AS equal to SD equal to AD. They are the equal. It means ASD triangle is the equilateral triangle and each of the side is the 2x. And the perpendicular drawn from center of circle to the chord bisect the chord. So if total distance is 2x, so this one is the x, this one is the also x, this is the 2x and 2x. And as we know, centroid of the triangle is, divide the median into 2:1. As we know that centroid of triangle divide the median into 2:1. It means OA ratio OP equal to 2:1. I am going to erase the so it is given here OA ratio OP, that is the 2:1. Now OA equal to 20, then OP equal to 10. Now AP equal to OA plus OP, 20 plus 10, that is the 30 meter. Now in triangle APS, in triangle APS, angle APS equal to 90 degree. So by the Pythagoras theorem, AS square equal to SP square plus AP square. Now AS means 2x whole square, SP equal to x square equal to 30 square. Okay. Now the square of 2x is the 4x square, x square as it is, and what is the square of this? That is the 900. Now we transpose the x square from right to left. It's become 4x square minus x square equal to 900. So this become 3x square equal to 900. Now I am going to erase this information. So if 3x square equal to 900, so x square equal to 900 by 3, that is the 300. So x square equal to 300, then x equal to under root 300, and under root 300 can be written as 100 into 3. Now x equal to the square root of 100 is 10, this is the root 3. This is the value of x. Now find the distance of the, if this is the x, now SD equal to 2x, so 2 into 10 root 3, this gives 20 root 3. So AS equal to SD equal to AD equal to 20 root 3 meter. So our answer is the length of the string of telephone wire, the length of string of telephone wire, telephone is 20 root 3 meter. Now tomorrow I will explain the one theorem that is the very important. The angle subtended by an arc to the center is double the angle subtended by the same arc in remaining part of the circle. So this theorem I will explain in next class. Thank you.